Yeah, buddy. We look tired. That's because we've been driving all night. Flew in good old JP's house over in Nashville, Tennessee. And now we're all the way in Kansas. Where we at?
Great Bend, Kansas.
Great Bend, Kansas. For guess what? Race week. We'll see how we do, right?
That's a fact. Yeah.
Old girl's got one of our stage 5 blocks in her. We'll see how good she does. We're gonna get the scene unstrapped. Gotta go through tech. So let's get the scene out of here, and then we can talk some more to you guys a little bit about this week. We are gonna be on the GoPros. Guess what, guys? It's windy out here too, so I guess it just follows us wherever we go. So I'm gonna help them get that thing unstrapped, and as the day goes on, we'll update you guys more. Right now we got to get the car out, go get it in tech. And for those of you that don't know, race week, it's a whole entire week of racing, obviously, and we got to go, I think it's 5 different tracks, about 1,300 miles, and we have to put a time slip in at every track, and then the best of, you know, it averages out through the time slips that we offer and hand in. So let's see if we can win this with a Subaru. Don't know if it can be done, but we're gonna try. Do a quick walk around of the car before we get the slicks switched over. This is very similar to what Travis used for his slick setup, and those are what's going to be going on here. Good old set of 15s. So walking over it, has your standard ETS rotated turbo kit on the car, ID 2000s injectors, and we have, obviously, like I told you guys earlier, one of our BBR Stage 5 800 rated short blocks in here. The cams in this car, I don't quite remember. This used to be a good friend of mine, Dennis's car, and I want to say it has BC 280 cams like we normally run. JP just put in a brand new competition triple disc in this thing. It is a stock STI 6-speed transmission, and he did just do the small brake kit on the car for those 15-inch slicks. So as you can tell there, we have a small brake kit inside of the car. We got 2 Kirkies inside, full certified cage, and we're making some power of this, guys. So we'll be helping tuning this thing today. JP and I tune together, so this thing is hopefully going to go fast through this whole entire endeavor. Obviously we got to keep it somewhat safe and keep it the last. That's going to be the biggest thing. So
I stole your AN fittings
right now he's getting the tire switched out, and we're going to go to tech. So we are over here after tech. I have the guy talking in the background, so hopefully you can hear me. One got a 1320 hat and some sunscreen because, well, you know, we're not this hot yet where we are, and your boy here will definitely burn. And we are over here, got done with tech. We're going through the car, setting our tire pressure, making sure everything's good to go with the car. I think our goal for the car this weekend obviously is to go consistent 9s, but guys, it's 98 degrees or 96 degrees here today. I'd be happy to see the car go 10.0 to 10.50s the whole race week, but we'll see what it does. Might surprise me. I think it's going to probably fight to go 9s, to be honest with you. It doesn't have the cut bumper like we normally do. It has a 6466 with a smaller .82 housing, and with it being so hot, I don't see it. So we'll see what it does. JP might prove me wrong, but like I said, we're over here. The car is all ready to go. Has all the tires on it. Everything is ready. Just the final steps here, guys, and we're going to be going out. Here's our nice Rocky Mountain poster. what we're doing. Got our, obviously our wristbands on, shirts for everything we need. I'm gonna be the co-pilot. And we actually are pitted right by Cletus over here. So we get to see Ruby, the new El Camino. Pretty cool experience. We did get to meet Brent as well from Boosted Boys. So that was pretty cool to be able to meet him. That's someone that I actually do like watching and going through. So I'm gonna continue helping these guys get ready. Hopefully we're gonna get ready to go make that first pass here before you know it. They are running cars already, so we'll see how things go and see how this goes. You ready or what?
I'm ready.
I want to see that first pass. Get the one and done out of our belt.
Well, first I need to make sure the car goes straight.
Yeah, so we got to test. Car's never been down the track, so these tires are a little thick for this girl in her stock body. So I think he's a little overzealous a bit. But first, he's gonna make sure the car goes straight. You know, your boy here would just send it, but I'm not gonna be the one driving the car today. So we'll see how everything goes. And we're gonna, maybe I'll get the opportunity to, guys. Well, you ready? It's called the class, so
Let's get it, baby.
he's trying to fit on his new racing equipment. Apparently, he miscalculated sizes. He's getting all strapped up over there, and we're gonna head to those staging lines, guys. Here we go, first shakedown pass. Let's see what we can do here. The car, I believe, is on 33, 36 pounds. If I remember right, I'm going to call 1040 or 1050. Well, that's my first time seeing JP race, and I'm going to be hard on him because he's way too aggressive. He wants that thing to live for this whole week. Needs to be a lot softer. We're going to give him some love. Yeah, he's going to get some hard love right now, but I think the car broke. The back of the car was crab walking, front was over to the left, back was to the right. Bumper came off like we knew it was going to probably come off because the tires are just a little too big for the car without being trimmed. So he's going to get a bit of hard love right now, and we're going to go over the car, but that was way too aggressive. You guys know how I am about being aggressive, and that was a Travis sidestep right there. Probably even worse than Travis sidestep. That was pretty hard. That's like Honda boy, and we're all Honda boys at heart, but all-wheel drive, you can't be doing that shit.
Yeah, he was excited. We'll give him that.
Yeah,
we'll give him that.
It's been a while since he raced, too,
but,
so we'll give him that.
We'll get it around, and we'll make sure he gets that car where he wants it to be, though.
We'll try our best to go over it and make sure it's safe for another pass. Give him that hard love talk, and we'll let you guys know what happens. drive like a Honda, we're not making it past the first day. You just sidestep that shit so hard. I'm surprised it didn't break. What'd you do?
Horrible. I didn't even see it. What was it? 13-1. I missed third gear. And then my bumper, I almost lost my bumper.
I saw the bumper was coming. What was going on there?
The tires are a little too big.
Yeah, the bumper's coming off.
Oh, the tire hit the bumper?
Yeah.
Oh, no, the zip tie broke.
Did it hit it?
The zip tie broke. There's only one zip tie on
Have you
it.
seen how much it squatted? It touched the bumper.
It squatted a lot. I need to see the videos.
Hey, it came out like a Honda. That was my little drive on it. You need to flip it out and come out instead of just sidestep.
Trying to figure out where the clutch was at the entire time, too. I'm like, damn stupid clutch. I adjusted it.
Hey, 2 zip ties this time. 2 zip ties.
All the zip ties.
Oh, okay, that's fair. That works. That works.
No,
We need a bumper.
We don't need a
Yeah. Let's take that shit off. Let's go see our damage.
It's actually not that bad.
No, it's not too bad. Surprisingly, it's not anything. You hit it.
I say we just get rid of the bumper.
Because you guys can see how close it is, and look, it hit it right there.
Yeah, them 28s are about an inch too big.
Yep, it hit it right here, JP. Okay, you can see on the bumper the mark.
So we just take it off?
So I would say just pull the whole bumper off. Because it's never going to work.
Yeah, look at the tire.
Yep.
That's how much that tire grew.
That's well, that and when you sidestepped it, this is how much that went into inside here. Feel here.
Oh, the shit was bumpy as fuck, too.
Here, this came out of your car after the burnout.
What do you got there, JP?
Yeah, you know how long
What do you got there?
we were looking for it for a while.
I don't know where it came from. After you did the burnout, I just seen it.
Man, here we are always trying to make our Subarus more like Hondas. Now we ain't got no rear bumper. Just call this bitch a Honda Civic, right? So he's down here adjusting the toe because the car was dog tracking on that pass. So we're messing with the toe in the car. Got the rear bumper off. We're just going to leave it off because it doesn't fit with these tires. And worst case, we can always put the 17-inch radial setup back on the car. And I gave him some pretty tough love in there. As you can tell, I don't have my hat. Probably look like hell. Hot day, guys. Very hot day. So I gave him some tough loving on it. He said the clutch is letting out at the very top, so I'm going to go ahead and make some adjustments to the clutch pedal. Try to get it a little bit better for him. Hopefully we can get in a second pass to turn and slip, because that one, he said he missed third. Car has a short shifter in it. You guys know I'm not a big fan on it. He's not a big fan either. Got locked out at third. Car went at 1350. I don't know what mile an hour. It did a 1.460 foot on it, but as you guys saw, I was hopping around. So we're going to try to get that dialed in and make some minor adjustments to the suspension. I'm going to make some changes to the clutch, and we're going to go back out. Alright guys, we are getting the wheels switched over here, so I'm hoping that this camera is picking this up. But it is pretty dark over here. We went and switched over the wheels. We got our others in the car because we have to load everything that comes with us into the car. That way, that's how race week works. So that's what we're doing right now, getting everything loaded into the car. And we just finished up our last pass of the day here to turn in our slip, and we couldn't be happier, guys. We turned in a 1023 at 138. How you feeling about that, Mr. John Paul? JP?
Good. I'm in my boxers and all. Hot as fuck out this bitch.
Oh, sorry, you can't even see on here anyway. It's too dark. What do you think?
We're getting there.
We turned a not so decent day start into a good start, and we are now second place.
Figured out the issue.
We did figure out the issues. We corrected the alignment on the car, played with the suspension on the car, and corrected some issues. And we made a soft pass, 1023, 138. Put us second place in our stick shift class. So we're really happy of that, finishing the day off and turning that slip in. Tomorrow is going to be a drive day. We got to drive 5 hours, 6 hours, 5.5 hours tomorrow. Almost 340 miles tomorrow. So tomorrow's gonna be a drive day, no racing tomorrow. So we'll have some clips in there. Obviously it's gonna be pretty boring if I let you guys watch that the whole time. But with that being a drive day tomorrow, probably not gonna see too much. The fastest car in the class, you guys are probably interested in what that was. That was a 998. I don't know which car it was. We're gonna have to figure that out, and we're gonna have to keep an eye out because we're right there, guys. So if we can keep this up, keep the car together, it's gonna be a good time. So we're getting loaded up here. I am the co-pilot, so we're loading my stuff in there, and we're gonna get headed off to our hotel for tonight.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living